I've got something really special to show you today. I'm down at the Carnaby Homes model home here in Paris, Ontario. Our team actually has this one up for sale for $2 million. So it's been built, you can buy it. It's also serving as the model home for the new subdivision they're putting in. So if you're interested in a new construction home, we also have a bunch of lots and beautiful model homes available. We have a couple other pre-built homes also for sale. Now, Carnaby is the premier luxury builder here in Paris, Ontario. They've got tons of experience with these amazing floor plans, beautiful exterior facades, and this home is a fine example of what can be done. This home here is actually 5,400 square feet, so 3,700 up, plus an additional 1,700 square feet down below. And we're looking at 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Actually, every bedroom upstairs has its own ensuite and some other really cool features. And we're in the south side of Paris. A lot of development going on here, beautiful lots, great community, and there's just a lot of future here. So I wanted to take you on a little different style of tour today and take you on a nice, slow tour of this property so you can see all the little features. Stick with me, you're gonna like this one. Well, what did you think? Some of the features of this home are really cool, like these lights on the wall, the finishes they use, the high-end windows and doors, and they're building even bigger, better models just around the corner from here. Plus, you have your chance to build a custom home with this builder and pick out every little detail to match exactly what you want. If you want any more information about Carnaby's new builds here in Paris, Ontario, you want to come see one of these houses in person, all my contact information is right in the video below. We'll see you on the next one.